Hello, all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Parth Wadhwa from IT department, and I am going to explain you this new topic of this unit 3, that is non-linear data structure. In that, the first part I am going to explain about tree, and here first of all, for this tree we are going to see some uh, particular notations part we are going to see, that is the first basic notations of graph theory. Here we are able to see some diagrams. This A diagram that here it is given, that is showing what these are having the two different vertices 1 and 2, or V1 and V2 we can say. Here also that these are all the different types of graph. Okay, and here the line connecting between these two, that is called edge. And here the particular this direction is given, that is a directed part, and the not no directions are given, that is a undirected. So these two are the different types of edges we can see, and various vertex are here that are connected with each other or not connected with each other. So these are what we can say. So these are the graphs. Now different graphs having different notations. So here we are able to see the different graphs. So each and diagrams are representing the different graph we can say. So every diagram consists of a set of points which are shown by dots. ठीक है ना, सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स मीन्स जो V1 V2 जो हम लोगों ने देखा इसके अंदर, सी दिस इज द सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स वी कैन से, दीज ऑल आर द पॉइंट्स. ठीक है, सो दीज आर व्हाट, दीज आर द वर्टाइसेस or the circles, and are sometimes labeled as V1 V2 or V3 or 1 2 3 we can say. So these are the labeling part of this particular vertex, and in every diagram certain pairs of such points are connected by some lines or arcs we can say. ठीक है ना, तो इन दोनों के बीच में जो कनेक्शन होता है, दैट इज डन बाय द लाइंस और आर्क्स, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर कनेक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज वी कैन से. सो एवरी arc start at one point and ends at another point we can say. So here the basic notations of the graph theory, in that we are going to see about the graph. So what is the definition of the graph, that we will see here. So here the graph is given here, so that graph G, right? So definition here we are able to see, right? So the graph G is what, that is consisting of a non-empty set V. ठीक है ना, the vertices are there, that are called set of nodes or points of vertices of the graph we can say. A set E, which is the set of edges, and mapping from the set of edges E to a set of pairs of elements of V we can say. It is also convenient to write a graph that is G is equal to V comma E. Okay, so now notice that the definition of the graph, that what it is implying, that each and every edge of G, we can associate a pair of nodes of the graph. So if an X belongs to E, is thus we can say, that is what, with a pair of nodes V comma E, where U comma V is belonging to V, and we can say that X is connecting this edge. So here we are able to see here. So now any two vertices, any two nodes which are connected by an edge or in a graph we can say. So here we are able to see here, that is what. So if the two different vertices are here, yeah, so two different vertices are connected with each other. So that particular part, this point and this point, are what we can say, they are adjacent to each other. So any two nodes which are connected by an edge, we can say, so that is what so that are the adjacent nodes we can say, right? So here now what we are going to see here, the next part is, that is a directed or indirected graph. जैसा मैंने बताया था, so here we are able to see the directed what, in a graph G is equal to V comma E, that is the set of vertex and set of edges, an edge which is directed from one end to another, is called directed edge, and while the edge which has no specific direction is called undirected edge. Now in the diagram we are going to see this part. Here the direction is given, right? So in this part, B part, so V1 is going towards V2, that direction is given, and in the C part no direction is given. So this is a undirected part and this is a directed part, right? So directed edge and undirected edge we can say. Now directed graph means what? That is a digraph, right? Digraph, short form is digraph, and that is what each and every edge is showing some direction, right? So in a graph there is each and every edge that is directed and is called directed graph or digraph. So here the example here it is given B, E and G are directed graphs. Now तो सारे के सारे जितने भी एज होंगे वो सारे के सारे में सभी में डायरेक्शंस प्रोवाइड होना चाहिए, एक भी अनडायरेक्टेड नहीं होना चाहिए मतलब. So that is what we can say, that is the undirected graph. Now here in the diagram we are able to see B part where, so this is a B, right? So here we are able to see only one edge and that is also directed. Now E part, here we are able to see, so in this we are able to see that each and every link, each and every edge is what, that is directed, right? And in G, so here here also we are able to see each and every edge is directed, so from one end to another end, right? So here now, so now what here it is happening, undirected graph. तो undirected में क्या होगा, जैसे directed में सारे के सारे directed होते हैं वैसे undirected graph में सारे के सारे undirected होंगे, right? So in a graph in which every edge is undirected is called undirected graph. C and F are the examples. Now here we are able to see C and F. Now where is C? Now here it is C. Only one edge is there and no direction is given, so it is undirected graph. And F part, here we are able to see this F. Here also each and every edge, no edge is having any direction, so that is what, that is also the undirected graph we can say. Now after this next part is what, mixed graph. मिक्स ग्राफ का मतलब क्या होता है कि दोनों के दोनों पार्ट्स होंगे, कुछ डायरेक्टेड भी होंगे और कुछ अनडायरेक्टेड भी होंगे. इफ सम ऑफ द एजेस आर डायरेक्टेड एंड सम आर अनडायरेक्टेड देन दैट ग्राफ इज कॉल्ड मिक्स्ड ग्राफ. दोनों टाइप के एज होंगे उसमें. सो डी इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट मिक्स्ड ग्राफ. नाउ वी आर एबल टू सी दिस डी. डी इज वेयर, हियर इट इज डी. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग ये x4 वाला जो पार्ट है, फिर ये x3 वाला जो पार्ट है जिसमें डायरेक्शंस नहीं दिया है, सो दिस इज अनडायरेक्टेड. एंड हियर x1, x2 and x5, right? So these three are given some direction, so that are directed. So some edges are directed and some are undirected. So this graph, such type of graph is called mixed graph we can say. Now next part, the loop. Loop means what, the particular edge starting from that point and completing towards that only, right? तो वो खुद को ही join कर, so that part is called loop. An edge here of a graph which node itself is called a loop. The direction of a loop is of no significance, so it is can be considered either as a directed or undirected, right? Here we are to see this two that is connecting itself, so that is the loop part. Distinct edges का मतलब क्या होगा? Distinct edges मतलब two possible edges between any pair of nodes which are in opposite in direction are distinct. अब इसमें में हम लोग डायग्राम में देखें, यहाँ पे डायग्राम में in the here this particular part is showing this part, distinct edges. Here we can see 1 और 2 जो connected है, 1 और 3 connected है, दोनों opposite direction में जा रहे हैं. दोनों opposite direction में जा रहे हैं मतलब ये दोनों edges को हम लोग distinct edges बोल सकते हैं, because these both are pair of nodes but in opposite in direction, right? So such type of edges are distinct edges. Now parallel का मतलब क्या होगा, in directed as well as undirected graphs we have the certain pairs of nodes joined by more than one edges. Such edges are called parallel edges. So certain pairs of nodes joined by more than one edges, right? तो मोर देन वन एजेस अगर आ रहा है, जॉइंट बाय मोर देन वन एजेस मतलब ये दोनों है और ये दोनों है, तो दोनों के बीच में कनेक्टिविटी के लिए कोई और आ रहा है, तो दैट आर मोर देन वन एजेस इज देयर बिटवीन दिस वन एंड दिस 1 2 और 3 4 के बीच में जो है उन दोनों को, ये दोनों जो पेयर है इसको भी कनेक्ट करने के लिए एक से ज़्यादा एजेस की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है इन दोनों को. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस 1 2 एंड दिस 3 4, right, these are parallel to each, these are the parallel edges we can say. Now next part, multigraph. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे मल्टीग्राफ पैरेलल एजेस जिसके अंदर होते हैं, दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड अ multigraph, right? Parallel edges, if there is no more than one edge between the pair of nodes, then such a graph is called simple graph. जो ट्राइंगल टाइप का कुछ होगा जिसमें दो पेयर है, मतलब सिर्फ एक एज से ही कनेक्टेड है, सो दैट इज अ सिंपल ग्राफ वी कैन से. अगर एक से ज़्यादा पैरेलल हो रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी कैन से, दैट इज द मल्टी ग्राफ. नाउ हियर वेटेड ग्राफ. वेटेड ग्राफ का मतलब क्या होगा, हर एक एज के ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू लिखी होगी. ये जैसे लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे 2 लिखा है, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. दीज आर व्हाट वेट्स. तो वेट्स आर असाइन टू एवरी एज इज कॉल्ड वेटेड ग्राफ, राइट. आइसोलेटेड नोड का मतलब क्या होगा, जो नोड किसी भी एज से कनेक्टेड नहीं होगा, कोई भी एडजेसेंट नोड नहीं होगा उसका, ठीक है ना. तो इसमें हम लोग डायग्राम में भी देख सकते हैं, इस डायग्राम में भी दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग. ये 5 वाला जो पार्ट है, ठीक है, एफ के अंदर, जो किसी किसी से भी कनेक्टेड नहीं है, किसी और नोड से, जो कोई भी एज से कनेक्टेड नहीं होगा, उसका कोई भी एडजेसेंट नहीं होगा. सो 5 वी कैन हियर इट इज आइसोलेटेड. हियर इन द ए diagram 1 and 2 both are not connected to each other or any other node, so these two are also isolated node we can say. और दूसरा होता है आइसोलेटेड नोड, तो देख लिया. नल ग्राफ बोलते हैं. नल ग्राफ का मतलब है दैट इज कंटेनिंग ओनली आइसोलेटेड नोड्स आर कॉल्ड, मतलब एक भी एज अवेलेबल नहीं होगा, ऐसे टाइप के ग्राफ को बोलते हैं हम लोग नल ग्राफ. नाउ नल ग्राफ भी हम लोग देख लेते हैं इसके अंदर. नाउ हियर द ए पार्ट दैट इज, राइट, दिस ए पार्ट जिसके अंदर सिर्फ आइसोलेटेड नोड है, राइट. आइसोलेटेड मतलब किसी कनेक्टेड नहीं होना, एक भी एज अवेलेबल नहीं होना. सो दिस ए इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ आइसोलेटेड नोड वी कैन से, राइट. नल ग्राफ, ठीक है ना. सिर्फ आइसोलेटेड नोड्स होंगे उसके अंदर, उस टाइप के ग्राफ को बोलते हैं हम लोग नल ग्राफ. नाउ दिस इज ऑल in this part 1 of this tree. Now we will continue in the next part in the next lecture, and if you liked it, then please subscribe it, share it, and and thank you for this watching this our YouTube channel of this Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. Thanks a lot.